What's up, YouTube? I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel, Truck of Choice. So the last time we left off, I was picking up a package, a new mod that came in for my 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRDSport. And today, I am so excited to be sharing that mod with all of you. So check it out, me unboxing it and applying it on my 2021 Tacoma. Here you go. It looks much more better, and yet it's still missing some pieces. So the V6 is still chrome, the Tacoma on both sides is still chrome, and so we're working on that. That's going to be another update soon to you guys. Subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, we'll see you later. Have a great week.